Why do some people never get sick? The secrets of immunity, the mystery of the immune elite. Imagine this, two people, both in the middle of a deadly flu outbreak. One of them falls ill, spending a miserable week shivering, coughing, barely able to move. The other? They walk through the same crowded streets, touch the same surfaces, breathe in the same air. Yet nothing happens. They stay perfectly healthy, as if their body simply refuses to fall sick. How is this possible? What makes some people nearly immune to diseases, while others seem to catch everything? Are they genetically gifted? Have they unlocked a secret biological hack? Or is it something even more mysterious, something deep within their minds? Today, we're going on an electrifying journey into the ultimate secrets of immunity. We'll explore the power of genetics, the invisible army within your body, the mind-blowing influence of your microbiome, and even peek into the futuristic world of biohacking, where science is getting closer to making us immune to everything. By the end of this episode, you'll have a brand new understanding of your body's hidden superpowers. And you'll discover how you can take control of your own immunity like never before. The immune system. A war zone. Inside you, your body isn't just a living organism. It's a battlefield. Every second, an invisible war is waged inside you. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites, relentless invaders, are always looking for a way to break through your defenses. If they succeed, they can hijack your cells, multiply uncontrollably, and wreak havoc. But standing in their way is one of the most advanced defense systems in the known universe, your immune system. Think of it as an elite military force, filled with specialized warriors, each playing a vital role, macrophages, the first responders, engulfing and devouring invading pathogens like biological Pac-Man T-cells, the special forces, identifying and assassinating infected cells before they can spread, B cells. The arms manufacturers, creating millions of antibodies that lock onto invaders and neutralize them. Natural killer cells, the silent assassins, targeting cancer. Cells and virus-infected cells with precision. This microscopic war is happening right now inside your body. But here's the real question. Why do some people have an immune system so powerful that they never get sick? The genetic immunity advantage. Some people don't just have good immunity, they have genetic superpowers. Their DNA carries mutations that make them resistant to some of the world's deadliest diseases. Case study, the HIV-resistant superhumans. In the 1990s, scientists discovered a rare group of people who were completely immune to HIV. The secret? A genetic mutation called CCR5D32. This mutation locks the doors of their cells, making it impossible for the virus to enter. This discovery changed medicine forever. Today, researchers are using CRISPR gene editing technology to replicate this mutation, offering hope for an HIV-free future. And it's not just HIV. Some people are naturally resistant to malaria, influenza, and even COVID-19 thanks to unique genetic mutations. But what if we could take this even further? What if, instead of being born with these abilities, we could engineer them? That's where gene editing comes in, a technology that could redefine what it means to be human. Before we leap into that future, though, let's talk about an immunity secret hiding inside you right now, one that's even more powerful than your genes. The secret armor, your microbiome. You are not just you. You are an ecosystem. Your body is home to trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This microscopic community, known as the microbiome, plays a critical role in your immunity, your gut. Bacteria directly communicate with your immune system, training it to recognize threats. They outcompete harmful invaders, acting as your body's first line of defense. And they even influence your mood, brain function, and overall health. Case study. The gut superheroes scientists studied the Hadza tribe in Africa, one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer societies. Their microbiomes are richer and more diverse than those of people living in modern cities. The result? They almost never suffer from chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, or autoimmune disorders. What does this tell us? Our environment and diet shape our immunity far more than we've ever realized. Futuristic biohacking, can we become immune to everything? What if we didn't have to rely on genetics or luck? Science is moving toward a future where disease could become a thing of the past. CRISPR, gene editing. Scientists are working to modify human DNA to make us resistant to infections. Personalized immunity boosters. AI-driven medicine is creating custom vaccines that train our immune systems to fight multiple diseases at once. Synthetic microbiomes. Imagine swallowing a pill that transforms your gut bacteria into the strongest, most disease-resistant microbiome in existence. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. But here's where things get even crazier. Mind over immunity. The power of belief. Can your thoughts influence your immune system? The answer is yes. Placebo effect. People who believe they are taking medicine often experience real healing, even when the pill is a fake. The Wim Hof experiment. Scientists injected Wim Hof, also known as the Iceman, with bacteria that should have made him sick. Using only his breathing techniques and mental focus, he stayed perfectly healthy. Meditation and immunity. Harvard studies show that people who meditate have significantly higher immune cell activity. Could it be that the brain itself holds the final key to superhuman immunity? Can we achieve immortal immunity? Let's take this to the extreme. Imagine waking up in the year 2100. Your DNA is enhanced to resist all infections. Your microbiome is engineered for peak performance. A smart device implanted in your body detects pathogens in the air and instantly activates an immune response. In this world, hospitals might become obsolete. Diseases could be wiped out completely, but here's the big question. Should we do this? Would a world without sickness make us stronger, or would it take away something essential to being human? The choice is yours. Some people never get sick because of their genetics, microbiome, lifestyle, and even their mindset. But as science advances, we're reaching a point where we can control our immunity like never before. So the question is, what will you do? Will you optimize your diet and lifestyle to supercharge your microbiome? Will you harness the power of your mind to influence your immune system? Will you embrace the future of biohacking and genetic engineering? Because in the end, the secret to immunity isn't just in science, it's in you. Stay curious, stay powerful, and keep pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Until next time, stay immune, stay unstoppable.